back out again. So, what we're going to do today. Right, I'm going to use the bitty big Q grill, get a wee fire going, and we're going to have a nice wee cheeky fry up. So I've got a couple of morning rolls, got bacon, got eggs, I've got onion, a bit of fried potato, good to go. So the bitty big Q grill, great wee bit of kit. I really do like this, it's ingenious the way it's designed, it just all folds out. So I know come the spring, Biggie Big Q said they're maybe going to send me out something for a giveaway. So this could be an upcoming giveaway on my channel. I'll also put the links obviously to where you can get this online. Right, but basically folds out, but the ingenious thing about it is the fact that it also expands. So really is, I really do like this. So what we'll do first is we'll get the fire on the go. Once we get the fire on the go, we'll stick the pan on and we'll get a nice wee fry up. Stay tuned. Right, first up, a wee bit of oil. Right, what I'll chuck in first, chuck some onion in, and I'll chuck these two potatoes. So I've just kind of seasoned these with a bit of salt and pepper. Right. Next up, flame grilled. Right, next in, chuck some bacon there. Bacon basket. Gotta love bacon, don't you? Everybody loves bacon. Right, last but not least, a couple of eggs. Fantastic. Oh yes. Can he beat a fry up? So we're going to chuck the whole lot of that into a couple of morning rolls. We'll be good to go. Right, good to go. Let's get this chucked into a couple of rolls. Whack on a bit of tomato sauce on the top. Boom. Yes. Oh, right, let's dig in. So, biggie bit Q, great wee bit of gear. Time for the taste test. Fantastic. Oh, I do love a fry up. I don't know about anybody else. Bacon, eggs, potato. Oh, bacon in particular. You gotta love bacon, don't you? I really do like that. That big Q grill. It's a brilliant piece of kit. It's so versatile. See the way it all folds up and it expands out, and brilliant design. Anyway, I'm going to get tolerance amongst these. I'll bring you back in a minute. Oh god. Can't tell a lie. They look good. So I reckon it's time for a brew. I think I'll have a wee cheeky coffee this morning. Just for a wee change. Oh, double chocolate mocha. Oh, I can't see that. Oh, lovely. Cheers folks. Oh, that's roasting. Real toasty, oh. So, out in the woods, again. Oh, I just can't stay in, can I? So, what I'm going to do today, I don't know when I'll post this. Today's Saturday. Got a few things on today, tonight. I was going to go hike this morning, but what I'll do, I think I'll do that tomorrow. So tomorrow's Sunday, don't have anything planned. Whether or not I got a camp tonight, I don't know. But I've been out a fair bit lately. I can't tell a lie. I've been out. In fact, I've been out a lot. But I've got a new hot tent. New hot tent to try. What else? I've got another torch. Another wee torch review. I've got a few things. I was just trying to fit it all in. But I got a nice wee message for James, who won the Backwoods bungalow. So he sent me a wee picture. So it's arrived. So he's received the first giveaway, and there will be more to come. I don't know what I'll give away next, but I'll give away something. Oh, I'm really enjoying this. There's something about a hot drink in there when you're sitting out in the cold. Anyway, I'm just babbling on. I'm going to drink the rest of this coffee. Oh yes. Right, coffee's done in. Fry-up's finished. That's it for this video. So I'll put some links, I don't know if it's up there or over there, or to all my other videos, or some of my playlists, etc. The wee emblem, I think you can click on that and you can subscribe to the channel if you don't mind. Again, if you don't mind, hit the like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell for future notifications. We'll catch you in the next one, folks. Adios.